On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2017 Solstice Super Lite 27RLS by Starcraft. This fifth wheel is perfect as a couple's coach, offering a rear living layout with 3 slides that really open up the overall space. As you enter this model, you'll immediately step into the kitchen. This opens up into the cozy and inviting rear living space. The slide out on the entry side holds an angled entertainment cabinet and a 4-person table and chairs. Along the rear wall there are 2 recliners with an end table between them, and overhead storage cabinets above that stretch the width of the unit. The opposing slide holds a cozy hide-a-bed sofa, and the kitchen fridge with vented range further to the right. There is a microwave surrounded by overhead cabinets and an extended countertop with a stainless steel double sink below. With big picture windows to take in the views, you'll love eating and relaxing in the dining area. Head up the steps to the right of the main entry and find a queen-size bed with dual nightstands in the front private bedroom. There are 2 mirrored wardrobe closets on the adjacent slide-out, which also gives you a second access point to the bath when extended. The dual entry bathroom is fully appointed, well-lit, and well-ventilated. A skylight gives added height and light to the corner shower with textured sliding glass doors. And next to the wardrobe closets on the master bedroom slide is an additional linen cabinet for extra storage space. Smart, savvy, and ready for anything. If you're looking for a lighter weight fifth wheel trailer, then this Starcraft Solstice is for you. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned, recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.